Welcome back, SketchLab friends. Well, today it's Squirtle, but make it frozen. Today we're turning this water-type legend into a frosty summer treat. A snow cone you'll never want to melt. Grab your Posca markers and let's cool things down with some icy fan art. So this is going to be the shape of the head of Squirtle. We're going to draw this character in 3/4 view, so I'm going to curve a line to the left. So just by curving a line to the left, we're turning its head to the left. This is the shape of our eye. Inside the eye, I curved a line down, and then now I'm drawing a little highlight. And you'll notice this eye is drawn smaller because it's further off in the distance. It's called space. That's one of our elements of art. So Squirtle's water gun move can knock over a truck, but he uses it here to make shaved ice. It's a very chill dude. Adding those little nostrils. Then we're going to curve a line down for his mouth. Awesome. Add a little tongue in there. I always love drawing anything pretty much, but Pokemon, a lot of fun. And because Squirtle is in 3/4 view, we added a cheek on the left-hand side. We're going to start off with the shape of the snow cone. Now I'm going to be curving a line down. Curving a line out to the left and then to the right. That creates the lip of the snow cone. Try to match that curve the best I can. Then now we're just going to create the shape of the cone. I'm going to curve the bottom of it. Wow, look how awesome that looks. Love to draw. Well, I hope you've been enjoying this fan art series, especially the Pokemon drawings. And you gotta sketch them all. You gotta check out the playlist. Those are some cross contour lines. This is gonna make that cone look a little bit more three-dimensional. So we're gonna start with the arm now here. You can see we use a zigzag line for the fingers. And we'll do the same thing with that zigzag line. He's waving high. Just chilling in a snow cone today. And this is going to be the shape of the tail. It's a spiral line. And then now we're going to change the outline of the top of the snow cone. We're going to add some drips, which is creating overlapping. Overlapping creates space. Makes it look more 3D now. I'm going to erase out these construction lines. If you don't have Poscas, no worries. We're just basically using color as value. And today we're going pretty simple on the coloring side of things. If you want to ramp it up, go for it. So I'm starting off with a light blue. That's going to be the base color of Squirtle. It's always good to have the 3M size of Poscas too for the fine detailed stuff. So the 5M is their medium tip, which is kind of the standard size. I did a little bit of color mixing from light blue to sky blue to blue, and a little bit of violet in there as well. With the tongue, I had coral pink, red, and dark red, and just using gray for those shadows today. And then we're creating more of that little snow cone effect with these little dots of value. So we have pretty much all the colors we had used: the light blue, the sky blue, the dark blue, added in a little bit of light purple and some white as well. And then now that we're adding back that black outline, look how amazing that looks. Posca markers were so cool, especially when you're trying to get that cartoon effect. Well, hey guys, you gotta sketch them all. Check out the playlist, and I'll see you in the next video.